I'm here in the Echo Amphitheater in the Carson National Forest in New Mexico, and it's really beautiful. Come with me and check it out.
Amy and I are on the Old School Values Tour going from South Carolina to Colorado, and here in the corner of New Mexico we happened upon the Carson National Forest with the Echo Amphitheater in it. The cool thing about the Echo Amphitheater is that it's got a lot of sandstone rock formations, and they're really beautiful because of all the colors. Of course, there's a grizzly legend that goes along with the Echo Amphitheater. It's the legend that in the 1860s or so, a couple of families from Iowa were traveling across the area, and some Navajo Indian came across them and brought them to the top of Echo Amphitheater and killed them. And that the red lines you see flowing down the wall are the blood of the settlers. And then of course that there were some American soldiers who later came along and executed some 10 Navajo men at the top of Echo Amphitheater, and it's also their blood that you see running down. But of course that's just urban legend. The red lines made down the sandstone wall are just mineral varnish from the water that flows from the top of the precipice. And that's, of course, the water that is supposedly what carved out the amphitheater in the first place. Of course, the amphitheater is closed right now, so we weren't able to go in just to fly this awesome drone shot. But I will say that if you ever want to go there, it's $2 to stay, and you can camp overnight and hear your voice echoing off the Echo Amphitheater, and maybe even the voices of ghosts past. I'm James Disciple Johnson. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to this Old School Values Extra and the rest of the great content we put out. God bless you. Thanks for watching.